Let's see how we Oh, damn it. You good, bro? Come on! Hey, he's got one!
Woo! All the bikes loaded up, baby. Ultra B, Reg Triple X, and Will's Light B is back, baby. What's up, guys? Today is day 2, 3. I don't fucking know. I've barely ridden in this city. This will be my first group ride, but it's the mega ride. It's Sunday, and we're gonna go ride. I've been riding pass-offs on weekend, but we're on Will's Light B, so I can just destroy it, which is gonna be awesome. So we're gonna get after it today.
You know, I figured I had to return the favor after Connor let me ride with racers. So
Yeah, dude. So today's gonna be lit. It's hot as shit. We might die, so we got a big ass water.
The perfect song just came on, Connor.
Alright, let's get to the spot!
We got Shine Batteries, we have E-Motor Works, we have EV Warehouse, and Astro Works at this giveaway right now.
All right, guys, this ride is about to start. I have Sully Banana right here, formerly known as Surge Sully, now Banana Sully.
Surron Jesus is a good one.
Surround Jesus is a good one, but you can't really see the beard and hair with the shiesty. We'll see what we can do. This is my first group ride of all weekend, so it should be fun.
You make content?
No, yeah, actually explicit.
You're a TikToker?
TikToker, yeah. I'm pretty good at dancing. You got so much going on here, bro.
ConnorG!
Yo, ConnorG's calling, bro. In between your seat. Okay, guys, we're outside for the mega ride now. First group ride. I'm pretty hyped. I found Will's phone, which was lost, but we're outside now. Hella bikes. And we're in Vegas. Can we wheelie, though? Of course we can. Oh, the guy in the Razor freaking just... As much of a clapper as this thing is, it doesn't feel horrible. At least the rear brakes are good. We got Hope Tech on the rear brakes, I think. Here we go. Dude, ever since I hopped on a Surron, yeah. We got the big 450 outside. Here. This is so much better than the Ultra B, bro. I'm so glad I'm on this bike. Shout out Willie Stunts. We got the groms outside. Let's see how we Come on! Hey, he's got one! Second gear, drop the clutch, red line. That's what you need. Rev limiter pop, that's all you need. Shit, is that a pass off? No, don't you have the red start?
Yours, right? Oh, no, I put different plastics.
Oh, you did? Oh, I thought you had supermoto. Oh, I guess you have the on the stock wheels.
I just put the stock wheels on the night before we came here.
Why?
I was trying something different.
What do you think of them?
I love them. So I put these different tires on.
Yeah.
Before I had the big knobbies on it. I honestly love them.
These swerve a little easier than the fat supermotos. Yeah, yeah.
It's got more fun.
I mean, that's why all the bike life guys rock street tires on the skinnies. We are deep. I'm gonna go in front of the ride leaders. I'm in front of you. Come get me, I'm in front of you. I'm in front of you.
I like that, Connor. I didn't even know I could do that on that bike.
There he is. I don't have a horn. Beep, beep, beep. Ah! Woo-wee. Gotta keep an eye on this display. Yes, sir. Oh, look at this pack.
Oh, damn it.
It's congested as shit right now. Not gonna do anything, my friend. What's good? I didn't mean to actually push you up. No! Just look how deep we are. God damn. We got Dylan! We got Dylan! Where's your helmet? Atta boy, Red! Alright, with Zilly time. Do these things have a kill switch?
Where's my ultra be at?
At home. Do these have a kill switch?
This?
Yeah.
No, it's on the phone.
What about that power button right there?
That's just for turning on the display feature.
Ah. Okay guys, my camera did overheat, but we're back now. I do need to hand drag this thing at some point today. Ride leader no mo, dude.
Damn.
This bike life shit's getting kind of boring. I think I'm gonna take up knitting.
Why?
This shit's getting kind of boring. It's the same old. It was cool a year ago.
I'm not taking.
I ain't got no front brake. There you go. Now we're swerving the light B.
We're stopping here apparently.
I'm gonna still go hand drag this bitch. Come on, it's deep on the light B. How we feeling, dude?
Probably is. Oh my God, is that ConnorG? Can I get your autograph? Will you sign my titty?
Where's your marker? Permanent, please.
Let's get you a tattoo gun.
We're in Vegas after all.
You said you dropped my bike? Okay, hold on. Now I'm the last one to do.
Said you want to ride with the Razor Gang. It's called.
That's fine. It's good. Yeah, you see him on the jet. South Central to the hills of Bel Air.
This is like our favorite trick on this bike today because we can't do much else and we're kicking that display.
I'll unplug your horn, bro.
Look at all these freaking surrons, bro. All doing wheelies. All ripping it up. Does it get much better than this? I don't think it does. You good, bro?
Maybe push it out the way.
You got a homie that can help?
Yeah.
All right, bet. That sucks. Yo, that thing is dope. That's sick, bro. Hell yeah. Vegas. So we got to take our throttle hand off here. Down this nice hill.
Two seconds later.
I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been something you said. I just died in your arms tonight.
Dude, my ass, bro. What are you doing? Damn, I wasn't recording. Guys, I just looped like a bitch. Yeah. Well, I did say I was gonna crash.
It might happen again.
Tell me you got me eating shit there.
I got you partially getting up and everything.
Okay. That hurt. Bro, I just looped so hard. Dude, I was dropped all the way back and there was just no brakes anymore. Yeah, caddy wheelie! Wheelie caddy! Yes, sir!
Good. It was just wild. Your front wheel came and smacked the dude. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Fixed it. It's good.
Yeah, my bad, bro. I just...
You alright though?
Yeah, I'm chilling. Dude, Zilly has got the Stark work. The slow pack work is crazy. What the f? Why is BK going against traffic here? This is true Vegas right here, the Venetian. I'm a little afraid to drop back, you know, given what just happened. So scared of these brakes now, bro. Definitely afraid. Oh shit, it's the Sphere. Yeah, not as great looking in the daylight in this brutal Las Vegas sun, but we're gonna come back and see this tonight, I think. Oh, look at the Sphere, bro. This is crazy. Dylan, want to trade?
Yeah.
On the razor. Woo! All my razor fans will love this. This feels so weird now. I haven't ridden a razor like this in a while. Oh yeah, beautiful Sin City. Are we stopping again? Hold up, right? Let's see.
Yeah, it's probably not even black and blue yet.
Oh, you spilled it right on your eye.
Oh yeah, you got a little bit of ice.
Bro, that's my trash.
This is the last section of the ride today. This is probably gonna be a long video. It's been a fun one.
I think that Vegas is a place for lovers.
We got Voltron Watts cruising.
Did you take a tumble?
How's the weather down there? Oh, I did take a dump. Did you see that?
You didn't hurt anything or anything though?
Nah, I'm chilling. Yeah, that's chilling, I think. I mean, I just scraped up my shit a little bit, but my butt hurts. You're close. Couple inches.
Your biggest fan. We're your biggest fan. Sign my titty, please.
I called my mom. She's picking me up.
Yeah. I don't want to play anymore. So we're heading back to the meat spot, right?
I hope so.
Sully's got no gas bike wheelies.
Don't expose me like that.
It's fucking weird.
It's way too close. It's way too close. Yeah, all right, I'm uninterested now.